Okay. Third question. The energy stored in a soap bubble of diameter 6 centimeter and T मतलब surface tension. Surface tension is given as 0.4 Newton per meter and dia is given as 6 centimeter. तो सबसे पहले we need to understand that a soap bubble or a soap film has how many surfaces. Okay, so suppose if I take this as a soap bubble, okay, this is my soap bubble, right? Inside there is a pressure, outside there is a pressure. This, if I take a small element, it is in contact with the outside, right? And outside what? Outside it is in contact with what? Air. And inside also there is a surface which is in contact with the air inside, trapped inside. Yes, sir?
Excuse me, sir. All of you attend online class today, right? As long as our physical classes do not start, right? Please attend online class. Next week probably.
कहाँ पे थे हम लोग? Yeah. If I take a small element, all in good spirit, okay? That's it. I'm little jovial. I keep on making some stupid jokes. So this film is in contact with the air outside. This film is that inner portion is contact with the air itself. How many surfaces are there? There are two surfaces. Okay. So energy stored. What is the equation? What is the formula? Those who are preparing seriously. E is equal to P multiplied by area. But here you have to put the right area. How many areas are there? There are two areas. Either you calculate the total area here or calculate one area and multiply by 2, whichever way you are comfortable. So what is the area now? Let me tell you that these soap bubbles, we are saying that they are spherical in shape. Being in a spherical shape is the most what you say is the most viable. अभी तो मैं detailed class नहीं ले रहा हूँ, लेकिन these soap bubbles are assumed to be spherical shape. So what is the area? Which area we have to put? Surface area we have to put. So what is the surface area of a sphere? 4 pi r square. But there are 2 here. So 2 into 4 pi r square. But here diameter is given. So what does it become? 8 pi. What is radius? 6. Diameter is 6. So radius will be 0.03 square. You have to convert it to meters. Alright. So this is your area. So your energy becomes energy stored 0.04 4 into 10 to the power of minus 2 into 8 pi into ये कितना हो गया 9 into 10 to the power of minus 4. Can I write it like this? Alright. Now let us see the options now. 9 into 4 36. 36 into 8 pi into 10 to the power of minus 6. 36 into 8 pi into 10 to the power of minus 6. कितना होता है इसका वैल्यू? 8 into 3.14. 8 into 3.14 मतलब 8 into 3.1 पकड़ो. Approximately 25. 8 is a 24, 25. 25 into 36. देखो ये हम तभी कर सकते हैं जब ऑप्शंस आर लिटिल फार ऑफ. यहाँ तुम देखोगे 1.9 है, 1.4 है, ऐसा अप्रोक्सीमेशन तुम तभी कर सकते हो. चारों ऑप्शन एकदम क्लोज है तो तुमको एग्जैक्ट कैलकुलेशन करना पड़ेगा. ठीक है. So 36 into 25. What is 25? 100 by 4. Correct? So 36 into 100 by 4 into 10 to the power of minus 6. क्या मैं ऐसे लिख सकता हूँ? तो ये हो गया 4 9s are. So 9 into 10 to the power of minus 4 or 0.9 into 10 to the power of minus 5. कौन सा ऑप्शन? 9 into 10 to the power of minus 4 और 0.9 into 10 to the power of minus 3. मैं इस तरफ गया ना, लेफ्ट साइड में गया ना. So 0.9 into 10 to the power of minus 3. You can simply do calculations like this. Okay? Clear how I did the calculation? Because calculation also is very important. Just putting this, कई लोग यहाँ अटक जाते हैं. So you can do it in a faster way like this. Now let me again tell you, if the options were very close, 0.9, 0.88, तब ये सब नहीं करना है, तो एग्जैक्ट कैलकुलेशन करना है और करना है, ठीक है?